Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn how to use the transpose function in Excel. Well, many a times it is required that we may have to turn whatever is mentioned in columns into rows. Like we have quarter 1, 2, 3 and 4 mentioned one below another. We want to have them next to each other. So we would have to type that in, right? Which can be a lengthy process. Now there is another way of doing it. What you need to do is you need to select this data, copy it, all right, and select on the cell where you want to paste it. Do a right click, go to paste special and choose transpose. See what it has done. I'm just increasing the size. It has copied whatever was written over here from in form of rows to columns. So it was in row number 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now it is in column number F, G, H and I. So this is the transpose function of Excel. Very time saving. It can work with one selection. It can work with multiple selections. Like we have two rows. So we have four rows and two columns. We want to just copy it. We want to paste it over here. Do a right click. Go to paste special. Go to paste special and choose transpose. Click OK. Just increase the size so that these numbers are visible. See, it got transposed. So this is how the transpose function works in Excel. See you in the next video.